In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up products and services in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a new service item so it appears correctly on your invoices and reports, and you'll understand what each field means, so your setup is clean and consistent. Start on your QuickBooks Online homepage. Move your mouse to the left navigation and hover over all apps. Don't click yet, just hover. Then move to Sales and Get Paid. In some layouts, the wording can vary slightly, but you're looking for the section that groups your sales tools. From there, click Products and Services. This opens the list where all your items live, the building blocks that feed your invoices, sales receipts, and sales reports. In the upper right, click New Products or Service. A small panel or window appears asking what type you want to add. Choose Service. We're using service here because this example is something you do for a customer, not a physical item you stock. Enter a clear, specific name. Good names make your invoices easy to read and your reports easy to scan. Consider a naming convention that matches how you quote and bill, like website maintenance, monthly, or consulting, hourly. If QuickBooks highlights any fields, type into the highlighted areas now. These can differ based on your settings, and QuickBooks uses highlights to flag what's required or recommended for your company setup. Fill them in to avoid warnings later. Next, enter an SKU if you use them. For services, SKUs are optional, but they can help if you map services to internal codes or external catalogs. If you don't use SKUs, you can leave this blank. Type a description. This is what your customer will see on invoices. Keep it customer-friendly and action-oriented, like monthly maintenance, including updates and security checks. If you need different descriptions for different clients, keep this general and customize on the actual invoice. Enter the price or rate. If your rate is standard, add it here to save time. If your pricing changes from job to job, you can leave this field blank and enter the amount when you create the invoice. For hourly work, it's common to set the hourly rate here. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. QuickBooks adds your new service to the products and services list, ready to use on invoices and estimates, and ready to roll up into your sales reports. That's it. You've created a clean, usable service item in QuickBooks Online, setting yourself up for faster invoicing and better reporting.